Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Skye family. If you're not a part of the Skye family yet, hello, why not? Hit the subscribe button below. Hit the like button below. The only thing that we care about is that you're positive, you're motivating, and you have ambitions in life. And if you don't have those things, two things. You can either one, you can learn them here, or you can get away from us. We don't have time for BS. We don't have time for people who don't genuinely love other people. Okay? Let people live their life, because that's all that matters. They live their life, you live your life. If you don't like it, don't be a part of it. Don't waste your time, don't waste your energy, don't waste our energy. Hi, how are you? I'm sorry, that was a little lot, and I don't know. But today, you see my shirt, Stay Humble, and we're at the ocean. I'm about to get out, and I'm about to just venture around. So I want to do a quick little makeup look. How rude. And I wanted to match my shirt a little bit, so I'm thinking we go with reds, yellows, teals, maybe a little orange. I'm not too sure, but grab your brushes and let's dive in. 514 brush, and we're gonna dive into yellow, and we're gonna go with it right up here above our crease, and we're just gonna blend that up towards our eyebrow. It's an amazing transition color when you're doing very, very vibrant looks. Hello, curls. You need to get out of my way. Whoa, somebody forgot to prime their eyelids. I'll be right back. Now that's a lot better. Now let's try this again. Dive in with your M514 brush in the shade yellow. Dust it off a little bit and start putting that on your upper crease line. And unfortunately, yellow is one of those colors. No matter what palette you use, it takes a lot of yellow to blend it out bright and vibrant, but also nice and smooth. You really have to just finesse the yellow. payoff. That is why you blend so much with the yellow. Do you see that payoff? Now we're going to take our M506 brush, dust it off a little bit in the shade Red, and we are going to stick that at the very bottom of this crease line here and work it up into the yellow a little bit. You're also going to take the red and you're going to put it on the inner corner. Blend it out about halfway onto your eyelid. I make such ugly faces when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm so sorry. And even though you're stopping the red halfway through, take the red all the way across that bottom crease line. However, once you're halfway, go lighter and lighter and lighter as you go more. So you want it like really, really dark red here, and then brush away the excess into the crease line. I have no idea where I got this idea, but I'm going to take this same M506 brush and I'm going to take a little bit of orange and I'm about to put it on top of that red right at the crease line, just to kind of like blend it in with that yellow a little better so it's not such a harsh transition. I think that looks so much better. What do you guys think? I'm really, really living for that. I'm gonna dive in with the red and the orange mixed together on the M506 brush and kind of just make sure it's as vibrant as it can be, but also as smooth as it can be. You know we all like a lot of things so smooth. That is coming together so pretty. Pull out that M514 brush with some yellow, dust it off, and go back over the very, very top of this with a lot of yellow. And the reason why is to blend it back in and bring back the vibrance of the yellow, but at the same time, keep the vibrance of the red and the orange that you did. Yes. Now everybody's wondering, that doesn't match your shirt. That doesn't match your shirt. You know what? Sometimes when you start doing your makeup and you start blending away, now we're gonna dive in with yellow on the M321 brush and go underneath the eye. Yes. I don't know if I want to put teal up here on top of this in the corner, or do I not? What do you guys think? Sound off below. Hell, you guys can't sound off below while I'm doing it. You guys are watching it. Hello! Get it together, Chloe. Okay, so I decided that if I throw a bunch of teal right here, that I could destroy this beautiful sunset look. So I'm just going to take a whole bunch of white and I'm going to place that in here and just fill in that gap right there. I so think white was the right choice. Yes. I so think white was the right choice. I am living. Now I'm going to take a mini KCL brush and I'm going to add a little highlight to the inner corner. Sparkle. That is what I am talking about. Yes, that's sparkle. Now I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna put on some mascara, highlight the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you the complete finished look. Whew! And we are done. Mascara, lipstick, highlight. How are you? You guys, I know this look did not come anywhere near what I said it would. It's like when you grab the brushes sometimes, the creativity just takes over and you just, sometimes you come up with something like this. When you was aiming for something completely different, like I really wanted to match the shirt with the red and the teal, I don't know what happened. I hit the yellow, and then like you guys seen, I hit the red, and then I hit the orange, and it was just like one thing after it led to another, and now I've got like this gorgeous. Let me come up a little bit closer. I've got like this gorgeous, gorgeous sunset look. I am so shook. And my mascara looks so amazing today. You guys, can I tell you a little secret? Maybelline, cheap as but very effective. I don't wear false lashes, so I really go for like the dark, vibrant mascara, and it looks so amazing. White eyeliner is Makeup Revolution, $7, best $7 pencil you can ever buy. So amazing. No setting spray. We're not using hairspray either, by the way. You guys, don't use hairspray on your face. That might have been why my face was breaking out so bad, because since I stopped, it has stopped breaking out. Not as bad, but it's better. These curls, everybody begs and like argues about what's in my hair. So one day I'm gonna make a video about exactly how I get my hair to look so curly, how I get it the way it is. Because you guys, these curls are natural. I'm sorry, I hate them as much as you guys like them. I dislike them. It's a mess and it's hard to deal with, and it's an everyday process. It takes me at least 2 hours to do my hair. It only takes me like an hour to do my makeup, but it takes me like 2 hours to do my hair. Anyways, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. If you guys like today's eyeshadow tutorial, let me know. Let me know what colors to do, and I promise you I'll try to get to them as fast as possible. The daily vlogs is insane. Speaking of, I've got to get back on track. I'm on day 42. This is going up, and I fucking love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I promise the content and the quality and just everything is going to get so much better over time. But today was such a relaxing day doing my makeup. Do you want to see the view that I did my makeup in today before you guys leave? Let me show you. Telling you guys, that is the most relaxing sounds you can ever hear in your entire life as you're doing a full face of makeup. Yes, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so gorgeous here in California, and I want everyone to be here one day. And if you need a place to stay, you can come stay with me. Like I said, if you're new to the Skye family, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Join the Skye family. We're all about positivity. That's all we live by. Positivity and being yourself. As long as you are being yourself and you are positive, we love you. You are always welcome in the Skye family. I will be here for you, and so many others will be here for you as well. We all love to see people who are going places in life. We all love to be around people who have downfalls and then come up from them. We love growth. We don't believe in holding anybody back. We don't believe in belittling anybody. We are truly the most loving family on YouTube. Join the Skye family, again. And if you're not following me on all my other social media links, it's Twitter and Instagram, at CYB Journey. Snapchat, Stay Focused 465. And I'm sorry, I'm so distracted by this view because I'm standing on the very edge of the cliff that I don't want to fall down and die. I'm going to wrap this video up and just say, I love you guys.